Carnivore Costco grocery haul. Always get eggs. We go through a lot of those, and we all love the salmon. Did some New York strips this time instead of ribeye. I always grab a couple of the rotisseries. I don't love that it's not just chicken. That's really dumb, but you know what? Just doing the best I can, and this makes my life easier. And I'm not sure what happened to their grass-fed beef, but I got a few packages of this. And I was planning on get a brisket, but it wasn't on sale this time, so I got these beef ribs, sliced cheese for the kiddos and husband, and I got this Gruyere because it is made with raw milk. It's so delicious. And now it looks like Costco has their own version of Kerrygold butter, so I got that to try, and it's very good. And then I got a double bag of shredded cheese for the kids and my husband. Grabbed some of these for busy mornings and for the kids, they love them. Cream cheese to make my pancake recipe. And I got some bone broth, but I wasn't thinking because they do simmer it in vegetables, but whatever. And these for a crunchy snack.